Siya dapat sambahin. Siya ang mabud. Tayo abd. Abd means, dalawa meaning na abd na sinabi ko kanina na yung tao na magsamba or yung tao na alipin. So tayo samba kay Allah at tayo na alipin kay Allah. Dalawang meaning ng abd. Mabud, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, master. Siya yung mayari na sa atin. Lahat ng yung meron tayo, Allah ang mayari. Siya yung hawak ng lahat. Siya yung master. Siya yung Lord. Siya yung mabud. Siya yung dapat sambahin. Okay? Hindi pwede sambahin sa tao or ribolto or mga bagay. Hindi. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala magsambahin lamang. Okay? And then also the maqsood. We say it like this, la maqsudu illallah. Okay? La ilaha illallah, la ma'budu illallah, la maqsudu illallah. Walang Diyos maliban kay Allah, wala na may dapat sambahin maliban kay Allah, at wala na tayo ng destination or purpose. Okay? Maliban kay Allah. Anong gusto mo? Sabi na gusto ko pera, gusto ganun. Anong tapat Muslim, yung tunay ng pananampalataya, anong gusto mo? Gusto ko Allah. Yan ang destination ko. Yan ang gusto ko na Allah become mine. I want to be with Allah. I want that Allah is with me. I become the friend of Allah. I become the person who fear to Allah. I love Allah. Okay? My purpose of my life is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yan sabihin ng la maqsudo illallah. Wala ko ibang dahilan maliban kay Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yung dahilan ko ng buhay ko, yung purpose ng buhay ko, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's my destiny. Okay? So that's the sum of the explanation of la ilaha illallah. Malaki yan la ilaha illallah. If you're going to explain la ilaha illallah in the whole life, cannot finish it. He is the one who gives the life and death, the profit and loss, honor and dishonor. He is the love. He is the one who we are worshiping. And He is the one we are slave. And He is the one, the purpose of our life, that we do everything for Him. We follow His commands. All our wealth is for Him. All our, whatever we have, all our wives, our children, our brothers, sisters, uncle, aunt, parents, everything belongs to Allah. All our wealth belongs to Allah. All our resources belongs to Allah. Lahat para kay Allah. And then, He's the purpose of our life. What I want to achieve. Some people say, I want to become popular, I want to become singer, I want to become this, and this, and this. No. I want to become the slave of Allah. I want that my Lord is Allah and He's happy with me. I fear with Him, takot ako sa Kanya, and I love Him. The most I love in the world is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I love everyone beside Allah is for the sake of Allah. Mahal ako, pinakamahal ako Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, at mahal ko para kay Allah lang. So that is the purpose of our life. It's mentioned in Surah Al-An'am, Qul inna salati wa nusuki wa mahya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. Sabihin mo, katotohanan, yung dasal ko at yung sakripisyo ko at yung buhay ko at yung kamatayan ko para kay Allah lamang. La sharika la, no partner for Him. Rabbil alamin, siya yung Panginoon ng lahat ng bagay.